Hey guys, welcome to Joe's RC Corner, and today we are back finally out at the hangar. Got a few updates for the new year, and also wanted to go over a couple of plans for the new year to see how much of the Cricket we can get done. So stay tuned guys, and be right back. All right, guys, so like I said, we got a couple of updates here. So we're finally back out at the hangar. We're going to be doing a little bit of work here on the Cricket. And I do have a friend of mine that apparently enjoys doing wiring. And he's going to be helping me out, trying to get some of the wiring done. And then we'll continue on. Once the wiring is complete, we'll finish up the front section of the plane. I do have to finish painting the new elevator for the tail section, get that remounted again. But right now it is a bit cold, so not really appropriate for painting right now. But we will be getting that very soon. Right now I'll show you what I'm going to be doing on the plane. Turn the camera around and show you what I'm going to be working on today, just to see if we can't get a little bit started here. All right, guys, so like I said, so right now we did reskin the elevator last year. That was probably the last thing I ever touched on the plane. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna redo, get this repainted so we can get the elevator trim tab mounted permanently, and then also get it remounted to the stab so we can go ahead and close this up permanently with the fences on here. So that's kind of the plan, but like I said, it's a bit cold right now, so the first things we're going to do is we're going to start doing the prep work first on that elevator, get that all situated. I do want to redo this piece here. Not extremely happy with it. It's not doesn't completely cover where I want it to cover, so we may end up looking at redoing that fiberglass fairing again. Not going to do it right now. But maybe once the plane is completed, we'll go ahead and get this rebuilt or remade up, because I want it to come out a little bit further and actually encompass this area a little bit as well. So we may do that once this is all permanently mounted, and maybe after the plane is airworthy as well, or safe to operate. So that's kind of the plan as of right now. I'll go ahead and show you the front section here where a friend of mine is now working on this. So my friend is an A&P IA, and he has a friend that loves wiring. So he's taking a stab at what I screwed up here and how big of a mess I got. He's gonna try to get that all cleaned up. He's got all the books out and everything. He's not working on it today, but he's been coming out here when I'm not here, which is fine. They're going to redo the breakers and go ahead and finish up all that wiring, get that all buttoned up, closed up, so that way I'm happy. I can get the engine running again, which is really an important thing for me right now, because it has been almost a year and a half since that engine ran, and I do want to get that running again, get the oil moving around. So that is going to be one of the upcoming steps that I need to do. And once that's done, we'll go ahead and we'll start doing the rigging. We'll get everything reinstalled in the cabin, headsets, everything, all that done. Get that all completed. Get the brakes bled. Get the servos for the elevator and everything, or the trim tabs all done. Get the windshield back on, and then we're getting really close there. So that's really the main goal right here, is to get all that wiring done and completed. And once that's done, we can kind of move forward and get that all started. So get that done. Once that's done, we're in the home stretch at that point. So that's where we are. But we are back out here, and I'll gonna go ahead and try to commit to you guys here. All right, guys, so basically my goal is going to be to see if we can't get the plane done this year, because there really isn't a whole lot there left to do. I mean, everything is painted, everything is pretty much done. We do have to paint that one elevator. We'll get that done soon. But once this wiring is done and we get that all closed up, we're gonna be pretty much in the home stretch, and we'll be ready to start working on getting the plane done. Finishing wiring, finishing the front panel here, getting that done, get the elevator done, get the you know, few minor things left to get installed, and then we'll be able to start moving forward from there. So we are getting there, we are moving forward, and I can't wait till the plane is done. So I know Mark has been pushing along on his Super Duty, and I am hoping to get this plane out at Oshkosh at the hopefully this year, but no promises. If I can get it there this year, great. If not, I will be there still. My plan is to go to Oshkosh this year and hang out with everybody and kind of, if the plane's done, have the plane there, and maybe have it at the at one of the booths there. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. But yeah. So most of you guys from the that follow my videos probably understand that this past year and a half have been pretty rough for me. Kind of slowed me down a lot on working on this plane. But with that being said, I'm ready to start getting back on it, and it's not going to be as hard pushed as I was before, but we will be continuing to work on it and continuing to keep moving forward, so we can try to get the Cricket in the air this year. So that's the goal. It's not a hard set goal, guys, because I don't want to put myself in a position where I don't make a goal like I have in the past. So at this point, I'm just going to work on it a little bit at a time as I feel that I need to work on it and want to work on it, and then we will go from there, if that makes sense. So anyways, yes, we're moving forward, and we're gonna see how far we can make it this year. So again, Happy New Year, guys. Short video, I know, but Happy New Year, and we'll see you on the next video, guys. So make sure you hit that subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell, and that way you're notified when I do finally put another video up on the Cricket, or maybe on another project that I might be working on. All right, bye, guys.